Here we make Nanjing DEERS rubber fender products factory. The workers are making the cylindrical rubber fenders and putting the rubber material into the machine for processing. The cylindrical rubber fender has the physical characteristics of low reaction force, small pressure surface, and reasonable energy absorption. When berthing, it has strong adaptability to roll and pinch of the ship and is not affected by the size of the ship, so it is widely used. At the same time, installation and maintenance are also very convenient, especially suitable for old wharf transformation. After the cylindrical rubber fender is made, it is transported to the testing machine for pressure testing. Transfer to the warehouse after passing the test. The package will be shipped later. In addition to the cylindrical rubber fender, we have many types of rubber fender products. Specification can be made according to the requirements. Nanjing DEERS is experienced in rubber fender production. We also have a lot of project cases. If you have this need or to learn more about our company, please contact us. We're happy to serve you.